Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the photo in Photopea and immediately check image size so you don't upsample later. Once done, arrange layers, history, and properties panels to keep tools handy. Make a duplicate layer now. This preserves the original and lets you compare. You'll work non-destructively because editing on a copy means you can tweak masks and opacity without losing data. Now perform tonal corrections. You'll use levels or curves to set contrast and midtones because correct tonality makes color edits easier. Then open Camera Raw Filter to balance exposure and white balance. Subtle clarity and vibrance improve punch without artifacts. Afterward, zoom in and remove spots with the healing brush on a separate layer. This keeps skin and texture natural. Make sure to finish by adding adjustment layers for color grading so you can refine hue and saturation non-destructively. You'll use layer masks to limit effects where needed. Apply selective sharpening at the end on a merged copy so noise isn't amplified. Finally, export with the right format and quality. Choose PNG for transparency and JPG for web, checking DPI for print. If colors look off, make sure your browser or monitor profile isn't overriding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.